We all like a nice tidy house, but cleaning products can be expensive. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own out of vinegar and what you can do with it. I bought this 5-litre tub of white vinegar, which will last for ages, and I'm going to reuse this empty spray bottle. I started by measuring out 1 glass of vinegar and pouring it into the bottle. Then add the same amount of water. Next I'm taking a lemon, cutting off a slice, and removing the peel. I'm adding this to the bottle too, to give our spray a nice fresh lemony fragrance. And finally, I'm adding a few drops of washing up liquid. And that's our homemade cleaning spray finished. Give it a good shake, and it's ready to use. If you find you've got water stains all over your sink and draining board, vinegar spray is really good at cleaning that. Let it soak for a minute or two, then give it a quick scrub down. And it'll really transform it. Pretty clean, huh? If your drains are smelly and a bit grim, here's a really cool tip. You can take a spoonful of bicarbonate of soda, spoon it down into the plug hole, and pour on some white vinegar. This creates a chemical reaction which will help to deodorize and clean out your drain. I'm also giving this piece a brush over too to clean it up. And rinse it all down. If your washing up brush is a bit disgusting and seen better days, you can clean it by putting it into a glass of white vinegar and leaving it to soak. After a while, give it a slosh about. I tapped it down onto the sink and gave it a good rinse. And there it is. It's not completely perfect, but it's so much better than before. If your kettle's got some water stains all over it, and building up with limescale inside, you can pour in half a glass of vinegar and pretty much watch as it dissolves the limescale. To clean the spout, I'm taking some kitchen roll, pouring on some vinegar, and pushing it into the spout to soak for a while. After a few minutes, I removed it, and I'm using it to wipe off the water stains on the outside of the kettle. Then give it a really good rinse out and a wipe down. And you can see it's almost like a new kettle again. It's made a huge difference. Vinegar is really good at cleaning bathrooms too. You can see there's limescale building up all over the shower screen here. The shower head and the rail are looking a bit grubby too. So I gave it all a quick squirt with the vinegar. And to clean the shower head, I'm removing it from the hose, placing it inside a sandwich bag. Then I'm pouring in a load of fresh vinegar and leaving it to soak for a while. Then give it all a gentle scrub. And you can see the shower heads come out like new. And it's ready to fit back onto our nice clean rail. With our nice clean shower screen. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.